Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale affiliate marketing with Shopify. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by signing into your Shopify account or creating a new one if you don't have it yet. Once logged in, navigate to the apps section in the left. Search for and install an affiliate marketing app that suits your needs. Common options are Referzion, Affiliately, or Lead Dino. After installation, open the app from your Shopify dashboard. Follow the setup instructions provided by the app to create your affiliate program. Define your commission structure, including percentage or fixed-rate commissions for affiliates. Create affiliate sign-up forms to attract potential partners. Customize these forms to capture essential information like name, email, and payment details. Next, draft affiliate program guidelines outlining expectations and requirements. Make sure to include details on promotional methods allowed and prohibited. Once your program is set up, start promoting it on your website and social media channels. Use banners or dedicated landing pages to attract the right audience to your program. Next, begin recruiting affiliates by reaching out to relevant influencers or bloggers in your niche. Engage them with personalized messages highlighting the benefits of joining your program. After affiliates start signing up, ensure they have access to all necessary promotional materials. Provide them with links, graphics, and any specific campaign information they may need. Monitor affiliate performance regularly using the app's reporting features. Adjust commission rates or bonus structures based on what works best for your program. Encourage communication with your affiliates to maintain motivation and drive performance. Consider hosting contests or offering incentives for top performers to boost engagement. Keep testing different marketing strategies to see what resonates most with your audience. Finally, analyze your affiliate marketing results and optimize your approach over time. This will ensure you maximize productivity and revenue from your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.